Hello again, library families. My name is Miss Jessica and welcome back to another Science Saturday. Today we are going to perform a chemical reaction, which means we'll mix a bunch of different things together all into one new thing. And that new thing will be puffy paint. We are going to make this puffy paint out of things you probably already have in your kitchen. So let's get started. For this experiment, you are going to need 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of water, a mixing bowl or some other container, a 4-core whisk, some food coloring or liquid watercolors, a paintbrush, a thicker material to paint on like cardstock or some recycled cardboard, and lastly a microwave. That's a lot of materials, but trust me, it's actually a pretty easy process to make this paint. In the mixing bowl, pour in the flour, baking powder, salt, and water. Try whisking it slower and then whisk it really fast. Look at what's happening. Keep whisking until the mixture is thicker and bubbly. Now you can add in some food coloring to make your paint colorful. Remember, you can mix 2 colors of food coloring together to make a new color if you want one that you don't have. You should add about 4 drops of food coloring in total. You can add less to make a lighter color or add more to make a darker color. If you want more than one color, you can repeat these steps again to make another mixture. Now it's time to paint. You can use a paintbrush, but make sure you use lots of paint to make it nice and thick. The other option is to put your paint in a Ziploc bag, and then you can cut a corner off to squeeze it onto the paper. Once your painting is done, it's time for the magic. Put your painting into the microwave for about 20 seconds. When you take it out, take a look at the texture of your paint. It turned all puffy. I had tons of fun doing this experiment with you guys today, and I hope you have lots of fun trying it out too. Let me know how your experiment goes, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone!